Welcome to FNS Pharma World. We are doing the question paper analysis of GPAT dated 2015. This is part 3. Part 3 also consists of 20 questions. So let's start the video. Please do subscribe the channel and please do express your suggestions and comments. Question number 41. Polarographic method of analysis obtained individual amounts of Cu2 plus and Cd2 plus in a given mixture of the two ions is achieved by measuring their option A half-wave potentials, B migration currents, C decomposition potentials, D diffusion current. What is the correct answer? Here option D is the correct answer. In polarography, we know that with a dropping mercury electrode, the flow that is controlled by rate of diffusion of active solution species. It is across the ion gradient and which is produced by the removal of ions or molecules at electrode surface. The limiting current is called the diffusion current here because diffusion is the principal contribution to flux of electroactive material at this point of mercury drop life. So the diffusion current is the correct answer. Here the diffusion current is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 42. Consider the reaction A plus B reversible C. The unit of the thermodynamic equilibrium constant for the reaction is option A mole liter raised to minus 1, B liter mole raised to minus 1, C mole square liter raised to minus 2, D dimensionless. What is the correct answer? The correct answer for this question is option D dimensionless. The thermodynamic equilibrium constant K is dimensionless. Next question number 43. DAS system does not have orifice to release the drug. Option A elementary osmotic pump, B LOROS, C sandwich osmotic pump tablet, D controlled porosity osmotic pump tablet. Correct answer is option D. It contains the drug osmogens, excipients in core and a coating of some semi-permeable membrane with water-soluble additives are present. The water-soluble additives dissolve after coming in contact with water, resulting in an in situ formation of macroporous membrane. That is what occurred in controlled porosity osmotic pump tablet. This is the system that do not have orifice to release the drug. Question number 44. Sanquinarine belongs to the subgroup of option A morphinans, B benzyl isoquinolines, C phthalate isoquinolines, D benzophenandrines. The correct answer for this question is option D benzophenandrines. Sanquinarine, it is a toxic polycyclic ammonium ion. It is a benzophenandridine alkaloid, alkaloidal antibiotic, and also it is an antifungal antibiotic. Question number 45. Identify the IUPAC of dexamethasone. Option A 2-chloro-6-alpha 9-alpha-difluoro-11-alpha 17-21-trihydroxycysteine-alpha methylprecnine 14-diene-320-dione, B 9-alpha-fluoro-11-beta 17-alpha-21-trihydroxycysteine-beta methylprecnine 1,4-diene-320-dione. Same for C option also. D 6-alpha-fluoro-11-alpha 21-dihydroxycysteine-alpha methylprecnine 1,4-diene-20-dione. The correct answer for this is option B and C is the correct answer. Synthetic precnine corticosteroid and derivative of cortisol, that is hydrocortisol. So dexamethasone and its formula, its IUPAC name is 9-alpha-fluoro-11 beta 17-alpha-21-trihydroxycysteine beta methylprecnine 1,4-diene-320-dione. Next question number 46. Tamoxifen is a non-steroidal drug acting at steroid receptors. It produces which type of effect? Question is, which type of effect is produced by tamoxifen? Option A androgen, P androgen, Q antiestrogen, R antiprogesterone, S estrogen. Option A P and Q, B Q and S, C Q and R, D R and S. Correct answer is option A. Question number 47. Which enzyme is used by HIV to form DNA in the host cell? Which of the enzyme from in the following used by the HIV to form DNA in the host cells. Option A, restriction endonucleases. B, DNA directed polymerase only. C, reverse transcriptase only. D, both B and C. Correct answer for the question is option C, reverse transcriptase. Question number 48. Sparging is the process where option A, silanol groups react with trimethyl silyl group. B, an inert gas is bubbled through the solvent reservoir to remove dissolved gas. C, solvents are mixed together in a fixed ratio. D, column is wasted with solvents from non-polar to polar and reverse. What is sparging process? Sparging process, the correct answer is option B. It is a process by which an inert gas is bubbled through the solvent reservoir to remove the dissolved gas. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 49. Morphine does not cause option A, constriction of pupil, B, CNS depression, C, respiratory depression, D, diarrhea. Option D is the correct answer, diarrhea. Morphine causes constipation, we know that. So D is the correct answer here. 50. Which of the following is not recommended in patients with renal insufficiency or cardiac dysfunction? Option A, aloe, B, bisacodyl, C, isabgol, D, magnesium hydroxide. D, magnesium hydroxide is the correct answer. Hepatic insufficiency, it increases magnesium levels in the blood because the reduced activity of kidney eliminate magnesium in the urine. So it increases the magnesium levels in the blood. The correct answer is option D. Question number 51. Higuchi model is applied to drug that is dash in the formulation. Option A, dissolved in formulation. B, dispersed in formulation. C, chemically bound to carrier in formulation. Osmotically controlled in the formulation. What is the correct answer here? 51. Option B is the correct answer, dispersed in formulation. What is Higuchi model? Higuchi model, it explains the drug release from spherical matrices and it is applicable to study the release of water soluble and decrease soluble and less soluble drugs is incorporated in the semi-solid or solid matrix. Besides this Higuchi model, other models are also there such as zero order model, first order model, then Higginson-Crowell model, like that so many other types of Cubanot law, like that so many other types of models are also there. Question number 52. Which of the following is correct about parenteral nutrition? A, parenteral nutrition solutions are hypertonic solutions and IV fluids are isotonic. B, parenteral nutrition solutions and IV preparations are isotonic solutions. C, parenteral nutrition solutions are hypertonic solution and IV fluids are isotonic. D, parenteral nutrition solutions can be supplemented with medication. Question number 52, correct answer is option A. Parenteral nutrition solutions, they are hypertonic in nature and IV fluids are isotonic in nature. Hypertonic to blood in nature, that is its osmolarity should not exceed 900 milliosmolar per liter. Then osmolarity of isotonic means 250 to 375 milliosmolar per liter. Number 53. Cyclic AMP is an important second messenger in signal transduction pathway. Which enzyme catalyzes the generation or accumulation of CAMP after a receptor ligand interaction? Option A, protein kinase A, B, CAMP phosphodiesterase, C, guanylyl cyclase, D, adenyl cyclase. What is the correct answer? Option D, adenyl cyclase is the correct answer. Next question number 54. Which of the following is not included in immunization program as per WHO recommendation for all children? So from the following, which is not included in World Health Organization recommendation? Option A, BCG, B, oral polio, C, measles, D, typhoid. Here the correct answer is D, typhoid. Actually typhoid is given to children in high risk population areas. Other all, that is BCG if you are taking hepatitis B, polio, DTP, Haemophilus influenza type 5, pneumococcal conjugate, rotavirus, then measles, rubella, HPV, these are all included in the immunization program as per WHO recommendation for all children. Next question number 55. Match the given condition with appropriate drug used in treatment. 1, pernicious anemia. 2, megaloblastic anemia. 3, anemia associated with chronic renal failure. 4, thrombocytopenic cancer, chemotherapy. P, erythropoietin. Q, oprilvigin. R, parenteral vitamin B12. as folic acid. What is the correct answer here? Option B is the correct answer here. That is pernicious anemia, parenteral vitamin B12, megaloblastic anemia, folic acid, anemia associated with renal failure, that is erythropoietin, then thrombocytopenia due to cancer chemotherapy, oprileukin. Question number 56. In mammals, the major fat adipose tissue is option A triglyceride, B cholesterol, C sphingophospholipid, D phospholipids. What is the correct answer here? Option A is the correct answer. Option A triglycerides or triglycerol, triacylglycerol is the correct answer. That is the major fat in adipose tissue of mammals. Question number 57 is a repeated question of polarography which we seen earlier. The correct answer is option D, diffusion current. Question number 58. What is the objective of trademark? Option A, to claim exclusive properties of product or service. B, to claim innovation of product and service. To deal with marketplace of expensive ideas, option C. And option D is to protect consumers from being misled. Correct answer is option C, to deal with marketplace of expressive ideas. Question number 59. Turbulent flow is exhibited by fluids whose Reynolds number is less than 40 degree, greater than 40 degree, is equal to 40, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, greater than 40. Characteristics of drug protein binding. Option A, often parallels drug lipid solubility. Q, drug plasma albumin binding tends to be relatively non-selective. Then R, acidic drugs bind to albumin while basic drugs bind to glycoprotein. S, in rheumatoid arthritis patients, increased alpha-1 acidic glycoprotein tends to promote increased lidocaine protein binding. 60. What is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. The characteristics of drug protein is, all these are characteristics of drug protein binding. So C is the correct answer. Please do subscribe the channel for more videos and please do express your comments and suggestions. Thank you so much for your support.